Hello guys, this is Ason's Adventures and Travel, and I am going to unbox now the Warm Mist Humidifier. Yan guys, ayan yung box niya and andyan pa siya sa loob, so let's open it guys. Ayan. Warm Mist Humidifier has an auto shut off when empty, medicine cup for use with inhalants, wide tank opening for easy filling and cleaning, and you can use with Vicks vapor pads for soothing scent sample. Okay, let's remove the plastic now so we can see what's in there. Ayan guys, so tatanggalin na natin yung balot. Meron siyang dalawang parang tank siya. And now guys, that's it. That is the wide tank opening tank for the water, and ayan yung pinaka takip niya. You have to unscrew it para mag-fill ka ng water dyan. Ayan, baliktad siya di ba? So set aside muna natin siya saglit. And I'll show you how to remove the other one. Yan guys. So, meron siyang blue, color blue. You see the color blue there. Kailangan mo siyang click mo siya pa harap para makuha mo yung isang tank. I hope this will help me to clear my lungs from coughing because I've been coughing for a long time. So I'll try this. Features, it says 99% bacteria-free mist. Ayan, and warm mist helps create a comfortable breathing environment. The wide tank opening also allows for easy filling and cleaning. Ayan siya. So natanggal ko na siya guys. Ayan, so ilagay muna natin siya sa isang tabi. And now, I'm going to show you the Vicks Vapor Pads. Ayan, kung saan natin ilalagay yon. Accepts up to 2 Vicks Vapor Pads to provide soothing vapors. Choose from 2 scents. Ayan, you can choose from 2 scents. Vicks Menthol Vapor Pad or Rosemary and Lavender. Ayan, 2 scents po siya guys. And for the one who gave me this, thank you very much for your kindness and generosity. Vicks Vapor Pods work with heat to gradually release soothing aromatic vapors. Not recommended for infants under 10 pounds. For children between 10 to 22 pounds, do not use more than 2 pods in a 24-hour period. So you have to remember that guys. Very important po yan. Warning. May warning po tayo. Pod may present a choking hazard. So keep out of reach of children and pets. Ayan guys. So now we're gonna open the vapor pods para mailagay na po natin siya doon. Yan. So I use the Vicks Menthol Vapor Pod for this time. Ayan na siya. So na-open na. So I'm going to put it on the slot. Yan, dalawa po ang ilalagay natin. So, I have to open again the other one. So, yan na po. Dalawa na po siya. Then, close na po. Close na po natin siya. And after closing it, pwede na po natin ilagay yung isang side para sa parang steamer po yan. And at the same time, andyan po yung pihitan niya for adjustment kung gaano kalakas ang gusto ninyo. Yan. And then, I'm going to fill up water. So, unscrew po na siya. And i-refill ko na po siya ng water. By the way guys, I use demineralized water for the water tank. Filled up na ng water, so lagyan na natin siya guys. Another features of warm mist humidifier is that it shut off when the water tank is empty. And filter free guys, no replacement filter for added convenience. So dahil filter free, it delivers a fine visible mist into the air. In hard water areas, minerals may settle on surfaces. Ayan, and wicking filter removes minerals and impurities from the water, releasing cool invisible moisture. Yan. So, ang room size naman niya is for best performance. Select a humidifier that is designated for the right room size. Small warm mist humidifier is designed up to 250 square feet, and the medium size is up to 400 square feet. The large is up to 600 square feet. And the tank capacity and runtime, choose the runtime and tank capacity that suits your needs. Ayan guys, so always remember that it is good if we have this at home for emergency purposes. Ayan. Sa mga nahihirapang huminga po, kagaya ko. So there's a medicine cup there guys. Ayan, so nag-add po ako ng Vaposteam Vicks Vaposteam Inhalant. Ayan, kasi mag-steam po ako. Yan po siya guys. So just a little bit. Hindi naman siya punuin. Kahit half lang po nung medicine cup. When added to the medicine cup, Vicks Vaposteam produces soothing menthol mist. Ayan guys. So sinaksak ko na siya at ayan na po siya. Nilagay ko muna siya dun sa pinaka full para mabilis po siya mag-produce ng steam. Kaya nilagay ko po siya dyan. And later on, when it starts na, babaan ko na po siya. Ayan. So, there are two controls. Warm mist humidifier, maintaining a relative humidity level of 40 to 60%. And reduce the survival of the flu virus on surface and in the air. Keep throat and nasal passages hydrated, temporarily relieving cough, congestion, dry nose, itchy skin, and chapped lips. Wow! Thank you very much for watching. God bless us all.